Hi guys, today I'll share with you Makita DST121ZK cordless stapler. 18-volt battery delivers reliable power enough to drive J-wire stapler with leg length up to 25 mm. Contact arm mechanism enables continuous nailing and drag nailing. Magazine capacity up to 100 staplers. Anti-dry fire mechanism engineered to electronically prevent driving blanks and damage to work surface. Low reaction force mechanism enables easier nailing without pressing down the tool body. Toolless depth adjustment for precise flux and countersink finish. Stapler is using the width with 10 mm, the length is 13 to 25 mm and the size is 1.2 times 0.6 mm. The work amount is 4,000 pieces of stapler with BL1850B, which is the 5.0 Ah battery.
Này, kia là cho các bố lên chim không? À.
Cảm ơn chị Hoài. Cảm ơn chị Hoài. Yeah.
Chứ. À. Còn cái tay của nó có chút khác. Cái tay của nó. Kè này con là chìm cái quần này 오래요? 오래요.